Hello and welcome back. Today we speak about how to change your display language at Windows 11. So let's start. Go to Start, then choose Setting. At the setting you will choose Time and Language. In Time and Language you will see at the left Language, yes, this one, and then you can see the language setting. It's only English. Let's add a language. Let's choose, for example, Spain. In Spain there is a lot of languages: Argentina, Chile, Bolivia, Peru. Let's choose Spain, yes, and then hit next. It will search it and download the package. You can choose as a default from this checkbox display, or from the let's wait, and then it is initializing, and then you can change from there the default, and then it will go to sign out in order to change the display view. Sign out, sign in Spain. You can see configuration, or idioma, España, yes, and then you can go back to the English version of the display at the same manner. Sí, cerrar, op, cerrado. That's the English one. That's it. Another tip: how to enter much faster to the setting. Just type the search lang and then open the language. Change the language, yes. Thanks for watching. See you soon.